How to change language on Pinduoduo app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can change language on Pinduoduo. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is open up your WeChat. On your WeChat, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what we'll do here is head over to the search bar. On the search bar, simply search for Pinduoduo. And after you search for it, you'll find Pinduoduo's website right here or its app itself. Open that up. After you open up your Pinduoduo, on the top you'll find three dots or simply this option right here right besides the circle with dot in the middle. Tap on that three dots and here you'll find different options. You'll need to choose on this translate option, and there you go. Now you have your Pinduoduo in English. And that's how you change language on Pinduoduo app, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.